if you're a guy who doesn't like to wear boring 9 to 5 shirt and trousers look or a t-shirt with a basic pair of jeans, the movie Rockstar introduced a plethora of outfit options for men. Ranbir Kapoor's character Jordan is seen wearing a lot of dhoti pants and loose shirts and layers in forms of jackets. The shirts that he's wearing are loose fitted in solid colors or in patterns such as checks, tartans or plaid. He's also seen mixing and matching a lot of fabrics. So say for example he would wear a pair of cotton dhoti pants that he would style with a cotton shirt or a denim shirt and then layer it with a leather jacket. A common theme in the styling of Jordan's outfits was that it was very military inspired. Utility was a major trend that he was seen wearing. He would wear a lot of olive green and army green in the color palette. He would also include medallion style badges either on the shoulders or the chest of his jackets. For his off-duty looks when he was not performing on stage, he was seen wearing cotton kurtas with linen pants that were layered with an embroidered sleeveless vest. He included embroidery and patchwork also a lot in either his dhoti pants or the jackets or shirts that he was seen wearing. As for his accessories, he accessorized a lot. He was seen wearing loose lockets, hats with medallion or patchwork details on them, a lot of caps, and also for his footwear, he would wear either sneakers or tie-up boots. So let me show you guys how you can recreate Jordan's look. Let's call the model in. So like I'd mentioned that Ranbir Kapoor's character Jordan played with a lot of fabric. So we've done exactly that over here. We've started with a pair of black dhoti pants. This is something that can be paired with anything and it's an essential in every man's wardrobe. You could either pair it with a short kurta like this, like we've done over here, or pair it with a longer kurta for a more nighttime look. Again, to mix the fabrics up, we've layered it with a leather jacket that has a very interesting fringe detail over here that adds that touch of boho-ness to the look. And we've finished the entire look with a pair of studs and a silver watch because Ranbir loved to accessorize, and of course added a pair of tie-up boots to round the look off. And that is how you can get Jordan's look. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Today we're talking about Ranbir Kapoor's character from the movie Wake Up Sid. His character's style was very easy, very casual and extremely relatable, which is why a lot of students picked up his style and kind of tried to copy what he was wearing. Hi, I'm Shikha and this is Fashion at the Movies. Ranbir's style mainly consisted of graphic printed t-shirts which he would pair with a pair of solid straight fit jeans. He wouldn't experiment with his bottom wear at all. He wouldn't even go for extremely distressed jeans or something that's too stylish or colorful. As for his t-shirts, which was an essential part of his look, he would wear mostly cartoon printed, graphic printed tees or t-shirts that had figurines of action characters or some funny quote or the other. In fact, there's even a scene in the movie where Ranbir's mom refers to him saying that when am I ever going to see you wear a shirt? And then at the climax of the movie, he is seen wearing a white shirt, but again with his basic blue jeans. Now, small details that his character would wear in his look was he would always wear quirky, fun, super weird printed socks that had nothing to do with the outfit. Again, for his sneakers, he would pick really bright and colorful sneakers, and he also picked colorful, bright and printed pair of boxers in the movie. So again, the whole theme is a lot of prints, a lot of bright colors, a lot of quirky prints, but there's no cohesiveness in the prints and the colors. He would also color block a lot. So say for example, he's wearing a bright red t-shirt, he would wear it with a green backpack. Now let me show you how we've recreated Sid's look on our model today. So let's call him in. So as you guys can see, there's a burst of colors in this look. For starters, we've picked a pair of normal jeans. These are a straight fit, not a wide or a skinny, because that's what Ranbir's character would wear. I've paired it with a bright yellow t-shirt over here, which has a huge print on it. So when you're picking something like this, avoid accessorizing. We've paired it with a backpack to create a little bit of a color block contrast, and then finish the look with a pair of white sneakers that again has a hint of color in it. And there you have Sid's look. Super relatable, very easy to recreate. It's something that every student would want to wear to college and would stand out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Today we're breaking down the look of Ranbir Kapoor from the movie Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, where he played the character of Bunny, also known as Kabir. Hi, I'm Shikha and you're watching Fashion at the Movies. Ranbir's character was mostly dressed in casual wear, considering in the first half of the film he's a student, and in the second half he has an unconventional job that does not require him to wear boring 9-to-5 clothes such as trousers and formal shirts. One major styling element which was a part of Ranbir's look was checks. When he would wear it underneath as a layer, he would wear his check shirts with insulated puffer jackets or with sleeveless gilets, or he would also layer his check shirts with leather jackets or denim jackets. When he's wearing his check shirt as a layer, he would wear it with either a crewneck t-shirt with all the buttons open, or even a Henley with buttons open, or he would leave the buttons of the check shirt halfway open with a locket on the inside over his check shirt. He would also triple layer by wearing a crewneck t-shirt with his check shirt and then layer that with either a puffer jacket or a leather jacket for the Manali bit of the film. For his bottom wear, he'd usually pick a pair of jeans. He also wore a lot of cargo pants for the Manali trip, but otherwise he was seen wearing a neutral pair of blue jeans that may have slight distress detail on them, and all of them were in a straight fit. For his footwear, he was seen wearing either sneakers or a pair of boots. Now let me show you how we have recreated Bunny's look on our model today. So let's call him in. So as you can see over here, I've given a very casual look that's super easy for any guy to recreate. We've started with a V-neck white t-shirt on the inside, which is a basic and a must-have in every man's closet. It could either be a V-neck or a crew neck. We've layered it with a checks shirt over here. These are window pane checks as they are broader checks, and it has a hint of blue in it. We've paired it with a pair of straight fit jeans that have a slight distress detail on them, and then finished the entire look with a pair of brown boots. That goes with the warm palette of the entire outfit. And that's Bunny's look that you could wear over the weekend. I'll see you next time. Bye. Today we're breaking down the look of Ayan, played by Ranbir Kapoor in the movie Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. When wanting to dress like Ayan, layering is the name of the game. Since the movie is mostly shot in European countries in the winter months, the character layers a lot. He's seen wearing basic shirts, t-shirts, Henleys or chunky sweaters, which he layers with a variety of jackets such as moto jackets, leather jackets, denim jackets, hoodies or even cardigans. His jackets also all had a very interesting element to them. For example, his leather jackets would have embroidery on the sleeve, his suede jackets would have hardware details that make them look like a moto jacket, or he would pick a hooded cardigan or a printed cardigan such as an Aztec print cardigan that he wore. He styled these looks with a pop of color in his footwear by wearing bright colored sneakers that adds to the flamboyance of this young character. He also accessorized his looks a lot with long lockets, hats and beanies. As the character matures a little bit, he's still wearing jeans and solid colored t-shirts, but this time instead of picking leather jackets or denim jackets, he's wearing classic Burberry coats. He also styles his look with scarves, and for the winter looks, he's also seen wearing boots. So let me show you how you can get Ayan's look. Let's call the model in. So as you can see over here, we've started with a chunky turtleneck inside. Ayan's character is also seen wearing a lot of turtleneck, and instead of going for a t-shirt or a chunky sweater that adds more bulk, I decided to give a turtleneck in a burgundy color that just fits the whole fall vibe. To make the look a little bit more polished, we've skipped the jackets and instead given a coat which he's seen wearing in the second half of the film. We've kept the classic jean intact. It also adds a little casual touch because this has these small distressed details on them, and then finish the entire look with a pair of boots that work perfectly well for the winters. And there you have Ayan's look that you can try this winter season. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.